All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see, I got some crusty goodness. I'm gonna see how this works. I'm gonna do inside, but you guys see how crusty it is? I found this. This was covered, but still corroded heavily. And on my laser cleaner, the APC 300, I'm gonna show you the power levels. Maybe you guys can see that. And the swing type, so to speak. I hate reflections. All right, so I'm gonna go clean that and whoa, glass is heavy. All right, let's go clean it and I'll show you guys. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys see, ran out of time, but I can get that hole a little better. But yeah, those deep holes, I can try to get a little better. In the back here, pretty good. All right, down here I got, I ran out of time, so I'm not gonna do that. But I did one bearing saddle here. This is gonna need work, so if we're ever gonna use this case, I mean, lifter bores, line bore, all that stuff. But I think I can get in there. It's just, it would take time, a lot of time. The better approach, I think, would be like a vapor hone or sandblasting, just for expediency, but that gets sand everywhere. But it works really good with a laser cleaner. You just have to have patience, and there's really no dust. Also, degrease and pressure wash first, I would recommend. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed that little tidbit video, and yeah, thanks for watching. Aloha and comment. Yeah, all right, see ya.